Alright guys, we're fitting to do a build series on my 2012 Ram 1500. I'm about to do a engine swap from this truck to the one over there. This one has 70,000 miles on it. I got it for $4,500. Obviously, it's got rear end damage, but it's low mileage, so I can get a motor that's not a reman that may or may be good. I get a backup transmission. The rear end was tore out of it, but they already pulled one out the junkyard. So I have a spare one of those. So I'm gonna take it apart, make sure everything looks good, decide if I'm gonna keep it or not. Interior is in like immaculate condition. Surprisingly, it looks better than mine on the inside, and I took really good care of my truck. I wrapped the hood up because I'm gonna swap the hood. Mine's got a few dents from the pine trees dropping pine cones from way up there. So that's the plan with that. I think this route is a lot cheaper than trying to do cam and lifters. I ended up chasing an issue for several months. Ended up being the oil pump was bad, and my cylinder 5 lifters got some wear on it, so I eventually need cam and lifters done. Most of the shops were quoting $4 to $5 grand, if not more than that, to have that done. When I got the whole truck for $4,500, I can swap the motor probably for like, I'm saying max $1,500. I'm gonna buy all new gasket seals for everything I'm replacing. A lot of parts I can sell to get my money back. Like I could sell, realistically I could sell the transmission and the rear end, but I kind of want to keep those. But the doors are in good condition on this side. Like this side is it's got a little ding right there, but I mean if somebody had a really bad door, they might want that. Driver door's in good condition. All the fenders, the bumper, the grill. I'm actually going to take this middle trim piece because mine's kind of worn, and I'm taking the hood. The major of the damage is over here on this side. As you can see, it's she's pretty tore up. It looks pretty bad on this side. I guess that's where it was hit. The truck spun around and it literally ripped the rear end out from under. If y'all have seen the other one, it was crazy. It was like, actually you could see where it ripped off in this wheel. Like the axle ending is where the hub is still here on the wheel. But also I can take the rear view camera set up. It's got the tailgate with the camera in it. I get to use the it's got a sub under the seat that I don't have. It's got tow mirrors. Like a lot of this stuff I can either sell it or keep it. 3 of the wheels are in good condition, and then all 4 tires still are pretty good. I mean, they got like brand new treads. I might just keep them as spares, but I mean, somebody might want it. I'm gonna post the parts. Every little dollar I can get off some of the stuff. The side steps, literally nothing wrong with them. I don't know how there was no damage to this one. I don't even think it was on the truck when the accident happened or something, but like literally the only things on it is this black mark where the tire rubbed on it when it was in the back of my truck, and I'll just polish that off. Sad thing is, on the tow truck, it yanked all the dang parking sensors and the trailer brake sensors and stuff, so now I got a trailer brake fault. I got to figure out how to turn that crap off. It goes crazy when you turn the truck on. But everything, it starts up, no issues, engine sounds great. I'm gonna do a couple upgrades to it. I'm probably gonna do upgraded manifold gaskets and bolts because it's got a little bit of the lift or manifold tick. It sounded like only like maybe 1 bolt because I have it on my truck and it's really bad. This one's like almost not noticeable. I already have new coil packs and spark plugs. I'm gonna put valve cover gaskets on it, new rear main seal. I'm gonna put a Melling high volume oil pump on it. I'm gonna get this thing running really good and for the swap. But if y'all want to stick around, see what's going on, if you live in the middle Georgia area and you want some of these parts, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll save the parts for you. Because I mean, and then it's gonna be a while before I can take them off because none of the doors are coming off. The hood ain't coming off until I have the swap done, so nothing gets damaged on the inside. But I should have a lot of parts left over. Anything that I'm taking off of here and putting on my truck, there's nothing wrong with it on my truck. It just, this might be in better condition, so I'll have almost everything to sell. the motor in mine, I think honestly, it's really only ticking when you start the truck. You could probably slap an oil pump on it and drive it for probably 30-40,000 miles, because I've seen people drive with the MDS lifter tick for 50,000 miles, and it's only one cylinder and it really ain't that bad. So had I known it was the oil pump before I bought this, I probably would have went that route and waited till the motor completely died. But I just got a really good deal on this. I'm happy I got it. It was a great find. Found it first thing that popped up on Marketplace. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up, get everything out of here that I need, and get old Truckee running back good. But yeah, if you stay tuned, drop a sub. I'm gonna try to post some of the stuff we do, tell you what upgrades we're gonna do from factory, what things we're gonna replace. So if you're thinking like, hey, what should I swap out on my build, I'm gonna make a video talking about every part that I think should be changed out, just from my research, watching videos, looking at forums and stuff, what's a good idea to swap. That way, if you need to do a motor swap, you can do that as well. I honestly think buying a motor and swapping it is cheaper in the long run than doing lifter and cam, just because another motor is going to last a lot longer than cam and lifters is going to. So even if you go non-MDS, I see people making it 30 to 70,000 miles on their cam and lifter swap, and it just, honestly, it ain't worth it. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I can start in the next week or two. Right now I'm just researching parts. Anything you can recommend for me to change, shoot a comment, that'd be great. And I'm gonna post my whole build list of everything I need, every part, every gasket, everything, and how much it costs and all that stuff for you guys. So y'all just stay tuned. Appreciate it.